Do you need coaching for CUET exam? Does class 11th and 12th marks matter in Christ University admissions? What are the cutoffs if there are any? Are 2 months enough for CUET preparation? When will Christ release syllabus for CUET? If you have any of these questions running through your brain right now, all you have to do is watch this video till the end so that I can answer each and every question. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. This video I will be answering all the important questions that I have frequently received from all you people. But before that, I have one simple request to make. Please guys subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys receive regular updates about all the videos that I'm uploading. In this channel, I've already uploaded a lot of videos about Christ University, about interview preparation, micro presentation, and all the details that you need to know about Christ University. So make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's get started. So coming to the first and one of the most important questions which I've heard from a lot of you people, that does class 11th and 12th marks matter in Christ University admissions? Are there any cutoffs? So guys, I will be putting an end to this question right now. I've told it a number of times, but I would repeat it again and I will tell you that for Christ University admissions, your marks don't matter. Yes, Christ University has asked you to put out your class 10th marks in the application form, and they've even asked you to put out your class 12th or 11th marks in the application form, but they are not the deciding factors in your admission at Christ University. I don't know if you've heard it, but let me just tell it to you guys that your Christ University results, for the previous years at least, used to come out even before the board results. And this year, 2021, I guess they would even come out before you even appear for board exams. So that really means that Christ University does not really care for the marks that you get in your board exams. However, that does not mean that you should perform really badly or you should not prepare for your board exams at all. Class 12th marks and specifically your board results really matter. In your placements, whenever you'll be sitting for placements, there'll be different cutoffs that you have to meet. However, if concerned only about Christ University admissions, no, they don't matter. Yes, the interviewer will have a record of the marks that you've scored in class 10th as well as your last result of either class 11th or 12th. But it is just to have a basic idea about you, and that is not the sole reason of how admissions are taking place. Your interview, your micro presentation, your CUET marks matter a lot when it comes to getting an admit from Christ University. Christ University is one of the very few universities in the country that really focuses on the skill set of a child rather than the marks he or she is getting in the board exams. That is the reason Christ University is highly respected when it comes to placements and when it comes to good companies, because even those companies value a lot of the skills that a student is bringing on the table. So I hope guys this is clear that your class 11th and your 12th results would not matter when it comes to Christ University admission. Your interview, your micro presentation and your CUET exams play a major role. Now people have asked me, are there any cutoffs to get into Christ University? No guys, there are no cutoffs. So if you've scored 55% in your class 11th or if you've scored a 90% in your class 12th, everybody is treated equally before you start appearing for your CUET exam, micro presentation and personal interview. Alright, so I hope this answers all your doubts. Coming to another question that I've heard so many times and I'm receiving it recently a lot. Do you need coaching for Christ University entrance test? See guys, this is a very subjective question to answer because I cannot judge anybody's level of background education, their mental aptitude and their learning capabilities and capacity. However, if I take you guys and I group it to you guys as average student who've scored averagely well and who are smart enough to get their way out, my answer to this question would be no. You do not need coaching for CUET exams. Since I have appeared for Christ University entrance test, I can say that the level of Christ University entrance test is medium, which means it is moderate and the questions that come are of medium difficulty. Neither they are too hard nor they are too easy, which means that if you dedicate some amount of time preparing for it on your own, you will be easily able to crack Christ University entrance test. During my time, when I was appearing for Christ University entrance test, even a lot of people forced me to take up coaching because my friends and my other peers were taking up coaching from different institutes, some very renowned institutes, some not very renowned institutes. But I just thought to myself that I really don't want to go and just half-heartedly go for the sake of coaching. Rather than that, I diligently focused on preparing on my own, and I made a proper schedule of myself where I dedicated some number of hours to self study, and that's what really helped me and got me through Christ University. I am of a strong belief that if you are ready and if you're dedicated enough, you would not need any kind of coaching, because a lot of these coaching and a lot of these coaching institutes, all they would do is that they would give you a lot of material to prepare on. So if you're just looking for that material, a lot of good material is already available online, which surely I will be helping you guys find in my upcoming videos, where I will try looking in for the best of the materials which is free for you guys. All you have to do is prepare diligently and have a good mind frame that you are ready to focus on. However, that does not mean you do not need coaching. If somebody feels that their mental aptitude is less, or that they're not able to focus on their own and are not able to dedicate that amount of self-study time, then you should surely go out for coaching, because in coaching the best part that they do is that they would ask you to dedicate fixed number of hours to their videos, to their mocks, to their study material. So if you're not disciplined on your own, then these coaching institutes can be of a really good help. However, if I take you guys in the general quota, I do not think that you guys need any kind of coaching for Christ University exams. All you need is a fair heart and a hardworking mind, and you will be easily able to crack Christ University entrance test. So I hope this answers your question. Like I said, it is a very subjective question to answer. Like, only the patient knows if he or she needs a doctor. Likewise, you are your own self-judge to know whether you need coaching for Christ University entrance test or you don't. Coming to the next question, are 2 months enough for CUET preparation? I guess I've already answered this question while I was answering if you need any coaching for Christ University entrance test. But to answer this question specifically, yes guys, I think 2 months are more than enough for Christ University preparation if you guys start now, and if you guys are focused enough to dedicate each day minimum 1 to 2 hours regularly for the next 2 months, next 60 days. That's more than enough. During my time, we had, as soon as we finished our boards, just within 30 to 33 days was the Christ University entrance test. So basically, each one of us got about 20-25 good serious days to prepare. But like I said, if you guys are disciplined and if you guys are ready to put in 1 to 2 hours each day, it's more than enough. Mind you guys, it's not about the total number of hours, but it is about the discipline to do it each day. To give you an example, you do not need to study 10 hours a day for the next 3 days and then take 10 days gap and then study for 10 hours each day for the next 3 days. No guys, that is not the correct way of preparing for an entrance test. The best and the correct way of preparing for an entrance test is to study regularly and study diligently, so that your brain gets into the habit of answering questions. Like I've told you, the level of Christ University entrance test is medium to easy and medium to hard, which means that the questions are not too hard. However, the circumstances around can be hard, such as the timer. The negative marking can be another pressure that you have to go through, which means that if you answer one question wrong, you will get negative marks for it. Along with that, sitting in front of the laptop and answering questions can be tough, which means that you just need to get into the habit of answering questions. Given on a day, if you read that question separately, I'm pretty sure 90% of you people watching the video will get it right. However, the real ball game is getting the question right while you're giving the entrance test. Because during those times, all the other circumstances around can be the deterring factor between a person who gets admission at Christ University and the one who doesn't. Okay, so I hope this clarifies your doubt. Don't worry guys, in the upcoming videos I will help you guys and give you all the hacks of how you can prepare well for the Christ University entrance test, along with all the free material that I have gathered so far, that you do not need to look anywhere else. Just practice through those materials diligently and hardworkingly, and you will be able to clear the entrance test. Coming to the last question of this video, which is, when will Christ release syllabus for CUET exam? To answer that question, unfortunately guys, Christ University will not release any syllabus for Christ University entrance test. However, Christ University will just let you know the sections of your Christ University entrance test, along with that the total number of marks and the total number of questions asked per section. To give you an example, there will be a section for quants, there will be a section for verbal, there will be a section for general knowledge, there will be a section for logical reasoning, there will be a section for data interpretation. Along with that, there will be particular sections for each of the courses that you are applying to. For example, if somebody is applying for BBA, BCom, they would have a section known as financial accountancy. If somebody is applying for journalism, they would have a section relating to journalism. Likewise, you would have for each of the courses. Okay, so the Christ University will just let you know that. However, I've already made a video of the most important topics which come under Christ University entrance test, and for each of those sections on the CUET exam, for quants, for verbal, for general knowledge, all you have to do is just watch that video, which will give you all the important topics. Only and only a person who has appeared for Christ University entrance test can actually tell you guys and guide you through most important topics that come for CUET exam. So please guys, watch that video. That is going to be very helpful, because only if you prepare for those topics, your job is 90% done. So that's about it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the very end. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you have any doubts, questions or queries, make sure you comment on this video so that I can reply to the same or make a new video relating to any of your doubts. Along with that, do not forget to share my video with your friends and with your peers, because this way the channel will grow and it will help me and motivate me to make more videos for you guys. Likewise, it goes without telling, please guys, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys get regular updates about any of the videos that I release. Thank you so much guys, take care, bye bye, and see you soon with another video.